Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to discuss contacts. Now, Microsoft Outlook helps you manage your contacts as well as your emails. So here is the email tab. If you click on the people tab, you will see a list of your contacts. And as you can see, I have many. Now, in order to add a new contact, you can simply hit the new contact button and you will get this window. You can choose the image, the full name, the email address, the display as name. If they have a website, you can add it here. Skype, you can add it here. You can add their fax number, their home address, and any other type of information. Once you are done, simply hit the save and close button. Now, another way is by importing a CSV file that has all your contacts from another platform or from Gmail or any other location. Simply go to File, Open and Export, and here we have Import Export. Click on it and you will see a wizard. Choose Import from another program or file, then hit Next. Now choose comma separated values or CSV file, which is basically the let's say common format for contacts backup. Click Next. Now it will ask you for the location of your CSV file. Click Browse and locate it and choose from here. Do you want to replace duplicates or allow them, or do not import duplicate items? We usually leave allow duplicates to be created and hit Next, and it will start importing new contacts. Now, another thing is the contact group. Now, let's say that you work in a big company and there are 10 people who work in this company that you need to send new emails to, but you don't want to go through the hassle of adding their emails one by one. This is why we have new contact group option. Simply hit new contact group, and in here you need to now give your group a name. Let's call it information tech. Now let's add members. Click this option. You can add them from Outlook contacts, from address book, or by adding new email contact. We will choose from Outlook contacts, and I'll start typing the email address. And once I see emails that I want to send emails to, this is a contact. Click members and it will be added here. You can keep scrolling until you see other contacts, members, again, members. Now, once you are done with adding all the emails, click OK, and they will be added to your group. Once you are done, click Save and Close, and now you have a group called Information Technology. Now, how am I going to use this group? Now, let's see this group. Now, go to the email menu, click New Email, and in the To section, add the group name, Information Tech. This is the group. Now, by sending the email to this group, it will be sent to everyone in this group. Now, as you can see, this group has 4 emails. Now, if you want to expand them, click the plus sign, click OK, and it will show you all of these emails. You can remove any of these emails if you don't want to send this email to. And this is how easy it is to create a group from a set of emails to easily send email in bulk without having to write every person email each time. So you can make a group for your friends, a group for your company, a group for the people you work with, and name it with the name of the company so that when you send an email, it will be sent to all of them. It's the easiest way of sending email to a lot of people. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. See you next.